Hi, welcome to my channel on Microsoft Excel tips. My name is George. In this tutorial, I will take you through the interface of Microsoft Excel 2016. This is for people who are new to Excel and still trying to understand the interface. So we'll start with the top of the screen. The ribbon is made up of the tabs and the command buttons. Now the file command here is actually not a tab. It is a command that takes you to the backstage view. This view gives you commands to do with Excel in general, as opposed to a particular worksheet. So you could create a new file, save your workbook, save as. You can print your workbook, share, export, publish, close, and account, feedback, and options. For example, it gives you the screen to change settings to do with Excel. So that's the file button. To go back to the worksheet, click on the back button. Next, we've got the quick access toolbar. See these small commands here? That's called the quick access toolbar. You can add commands in there by selecting them from here. So for example, if I want to add new, I'll click on it and it gives me the option to create a new worksheet from here. But you don't want to put too much there, so just put as much as you need. The Home tab provides the most used commands in Excel. So as you can see, it's got the paste, copy, and all that. So this is the Home tab, and then you've got the other tabs. They're like insert, page layout, and so on. The formula bar displays the contents of the active cell, including any formulas. So if I click on here, for example, you will see that it displays the formula as opposed to the value itself. So this is where you enter values or formulas. So for example, if I want to enter 400 here, I will just type it in. If I want to enter a formula, I'll preface it with equals and then enter a formula like sum 400 200 and enter, and that will give me 600. So that's the formula bar. These here are buttons. This is to cancel. So if you enter a value here, you can click on this sign to enter, or that to cancel. This is to insert a function. So for example, if I want to insert the function here, I'll click on this and it gives me a list of functions that I can insert in there. Okay, so that's the formula bar. When you click on a cell, you see the name of the cell there, F2. So it's a quick way to look at a cell instead of, because sometimes, so for example, if I'm here, I'm trying to figure out what cell is this? What's the reference? So you can cross-reference and say, okay, it's M26. But you could quickly look here and see M26 there. And just know, okay, that's the one. Now, this is the worksheet area. This area I've been working on. This is where you add your values and so on. At the bottom of the screen, you've got the tabs for your worksheets. You can have as many worksheets as you want in Excel, but obviously you want to ensure that you don't have too much, because if you do, then it will become too cumbersome. The limit is basically how much space you have on your computer. At the bottom of the screen, you've got a status bar, and you can have a quick sum here. For example, if I click on this and select this, when you look here, you will see that it's done some quick calculations. You've got the average, the count, and the sum. So this is good for quickly having a summary of your data. Now, something else to show you here is what is called the dialog box launcher. So if you look very carefully, you will see there's an arrow here, diagonal arrow. For each group, I think most groups have it. Okay, these two, that one, and that one, they all have it. When you click on this arrow, it will launch a dialog box with more commands. So these commands relate to what's here, but this gives you more options. So if you cannot find the command you want here in this group, click on this dialog box launcher and you see more options. Like for example, this formatting, you get more options. So that's the basic coverage of the interface of Microsoft Excel 2016. Hope you found this useful, and thanks for watching.